Cake? It's just cake. All of this romantic buildup for something I don't even eat?
Babe, please let me explain.
I'm not giving you another second of my time. I know my value, and I'm so over waiting for you to show me how much I'm worth to you. I have options, trust me. $1 million options that will give me whatever I want just to be with me. Eat your heart out, Mitch. I'm done.
Wait, where are you going?
To freshen up, I need to wash this wasted year with you off of me.
Just give me a chance to explain. What are you looking at?
Nothing. Nothing at all.
Wait! You had something to do with this, didn't you?